Kening ka bajur man takamit aka Porsche POI kala bamdu ya ka office trekam jaga Shillong Bar Association lani tika jaga trekam jaga seng jongki nang sayan jongka Shillong. Kani ka yenga di kabala rimha bat ki babun te di kikot kisla jongki nang sayan. Haka juga pon ka liang jong ki gihan jaga sarkar adu umatri nang ba kajala kontrat sangma sembut matri nang ba asnya barang dahar nang tau chief secretary do ba DPU alang Deputy Commissioner East Kasel District kila poi sakati JAKA manon jirip yakni kajing PLUH jong kandi ka JAKA trikam jong Shillong Bar Association. Trikam ba ola pun pau kajing sosi alo kajing ja jong kandi PLUH jong kandi ka yeng tang ba ola ong pat kalong ka baso ko man kandiat namar ba amjumla dan menu ba man sao.
Conditions that led to the fire out here in the judiciary area, mostly the Bar Association is here. And it's very unfortunate. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Urban Affairs, Chief Secretary, and the officials from the police department and the administration, we are all here. And of course, it's a very unfortunate incident. But we are very relieved that there's no loss of life and no casualty was there. But of course, the fact that the infrastructure is damaged and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously a concern. But we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage. And even now in the site, we are all here and we are monitoring the situation. And we want to make sure that no further damage is done. So I'm thankful to the fire department that is here to handle the situation, and of course we are happy that everybody is safe, but yet there's been a great loss, and but as the government will monitor the situation and make sure that overall there's no further damage to the situation, and and monitor the whole situation and see that no further damage is done in the